Hey guys, what's up? It's Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to head into HomeGoods actually, so I thought I'd grab my camera and take you in, so that's what we're going to do. I'm kind of just looking around for random stuff and seeing what's new in there. It's 10:30, so we're bright and early out here. Well, it opens at 10, so bright and early in terms of HomeGoods terms, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna head in and put my mask on and see you in there. Okay guys, I'm so excited I'm at HomeGoods. I actually only came for like a few different pet things to look at, but I ended up looking at the HomeGoods decor, which is why I brought you along. But I saw this like chartreuse chair and it was only $200 and I thought that was like a really good price for it. It's not totally my vibe, but I did like it and I thought it was really good quality. And then these I wish I got. They're eco-friendly bowl sets. Guys, if you are looking for like bowls like this, go to HomeGoods. They had so many different pretty colors. I wish I would have gotten the green set. And then they have like the cups as well, and they're I think 100% recycled. I don't know, but and then this mushroom lamp. Okay, these I've seen everywhere lately, and if I knew where I could put this, I would have gotten it, but I don't know where I could put it, but I thought it was super cute with gold and then like the white around it. I thought it was really cool and super in right now. And then this little Disney mug, I just want to show you. Okay, look at how cool this is. Only 25 bucks too. That's actually really cool. Okay, and I love these. I just wish that the pillows weren't gray. I wish they were like a different color. I guess you could change that out, but look how cute they are. With the cane on the side. I feel like that's so in right now. And then they're only $3.50, which is a lot, but they're really good quality. And like I said, if these were a different color, honestly, I really like them. Those are cute. Kind of over the whole tassel thing though, but I like these, and I like that they're like really, you can tell that the insides are very nice and it's easy to puff up. Ooh, I like that. Okay. See, I love that. Even together, I think that looks really cute. This is so cute. Look at how it opens too. Very pretty color. It's like that fake wood, but it's still very nice looking. Look at that. I like this little side table. Not too bad. It's kind of fun and funky. Put stuff in. It's like a boat. Very cute. I don't know how much it is, but it's very cute. And then also I found this, which I have one of those at home, which I love, the plant stand. But this one is cute as well. It's only 40 bucks. That's not too bad. They have in this color actually, which I like better than that one. Okay, I've actually been noticing a lot of these like face things at HomeGoods lately. I feel like they're really, really in style, and I almost got this for my pampas grass, but I realized I actually needed a bigger one. This one was pretty big, but I needed a little bit bigger. And this whole section has just really stepped up their game. Like this little cheetah right here, I just think is so cute. I like that it's black and then it has like the little spots on it. And so this is like just the decorative kind of like section, little add-ons, you know, to your home to make everything look finished, in my opinion. And this is like the imported stuff. A lot of them are like handmade in India, handmade in like Thailand and stuff, and I thought that they were just beautiful. I really, really love and appreciate the section, like the wood carved items and different sculptures like this, and like these baskets are so beautiful. I wish I had something to put in them, but I just thought they were so cool. This I almost bought, but it was damaged at the bottom and I didn't know about the seashells on the front, but I am looking for something like of this nature, but I did pass on this one. See, these are the hand carved like wood pieces that I'm talking about. I feel like those look so awesome in like a room like my family room, with like the white walls and like my black furniture and like the tan furniture. I feel like that's like so perfect to fit in there. And this I really liked because it was black and white, but I didn't have a use for it. These are cute little rattan like or basket chairs woven. I thought they were really cool. And then now we're in the lamp section, so let's go through here. Okay, so this black lamp right here I thought was really cool for like a modern farmhouse kind of vibe. And then the one next to it that I'm pointing to right now, this Versace lamp, well, it's not a Versace lamp, but it reminded me of a Versace lamp, so I thought I'd point that out. So these lamps kind of gave me like French country vibes, and I thought they were really cute. They didn't match my decor style, but I thought I'd point them out in case you're interested in them. But yeah, and then I saw these feather lamps, which is what I'm actually looking for. I'm looking for like a tall feather lamp for my office, but bigger obviously, and yeah, like a floral one. This was just like a little one, but I thought they were really cute as well. And then I loved this blush tone on these circle like chairs. Honestly, I want a circle one like this that turns around like spins. I think that would be so comfy. I love that. But then these caught my eye. Oh my god, guys, are these not like beautiful? They're perfect. $130 a chair, first of all. Amazing quality. And look at, they are so in and beautiful. I love the tones of them. I love the tones of like the wood and then like the cane on the back and then the seats too, like that cream ivory color. Oh, these are so beautiful. Guys, look at this mirror. It's beautiful and ornate, but like I just don't know about the size. I wish it was a little bit longer on top, I think. I don't know what it is about it, but it's throwing me off, but I like it, and it's $150, and I feel like it looks kind of rushed. Okay, so these I actually saw the last time that I was here, and I thought that they were lamps, but now I'm kind of recognizing, I think that there's something that you could put like pampas grass in or something like that, like floral things. I think they're like supposed to be big vase vessel type things. I'm not completely sure, but I'm looking through the rugs. I didn't find any that I really loved. I'm looking for a jute rug, but like I want it to be the right tone, but they didn't have any jute rugs actually, so we'll keep looking. But this outdoor furniture, look at that thing, dude. Like, that is nuts. I'm actually obsessed with this thing. If I had a spot for it in my backyard, I would have gotten it. It's $3,000, but you know, but I feel like that's really worth it for what this is. It's like a, you know, a little cabana type area, and it has like the curtains around it, and so you could shut it out, make you feel like you're on like a freaking beach vacation right there. And then these rocking chairs, which honestly, if I had a pickup truck, I would have gotten as well, because they are so cute, and I feel like they'd look really good on our front porch. But I passed. And also their glassware section today was really nice. Usually I feel like it's full of like a lot of way too colorful things for my liking, but I thought that these colors were really pretty, like this green specifically. I feel like pops of color in your house really adds to the whole vibe. I mean, obviously if it is your vibe, otherwise, you know, don't. But I like this little cake stand as well. It was just a really pretty shade, like of wood. I don't know. I think it was only $16.99. I believe that's what that said. But like I said, the glassware right here, so cute. I love this pink color. Then this one I actually wish I would have bought. I don't know why I didn't, but I think it was $30. Yeah, $29.99. And again, the tone of wood, and it was really heavy, like really good quality. Now we're in the picture frame section, which I usually don't actually stop through, but I wanted to just peek at them with you guys. But yeah, look how cute this is. I love the copper frame, and I like that it's like the floating picture in the middle of it. I thought that was really pretty. Also, I spotted this. I really liked the color. Although it doesn't match anything of mine, I thought it was really cute, and it felt a little cheap. It was like just made out of wood and with that fake candle in it, but I thought I'd point it out. I think it's super cute. Now, if you're looking for throw blankets, I swear HomeGoods is the place to go. Look at this cute little, I don't know what kind of vibe it is. Almost, it can go with, I think, a lot of different styles in your home, but it was a really, really soft blanket and really good quality. I love anything with ruffles like that. It's almost like country chic, like, I don't know, I don't want to say farmhouse, but I just like it. And then this little blanket, which is really nice, and I feel like these are always really great gifts. This is where I get my blankets to gift people if I'm not getting them a Barefoot Dreams one. I just think that they're really cute and really, really good quality for the price. Guys, this is actually a candle. I thought that this was like one of those little bowl things. It's actually a really, really, really big candle. I think it was like $20 or $16.99 or something. I thought it was so nice. Like, you get a lot of candle for that. And then this little lamp was $50, and I thought it was really cool. It looked almost like a beehive. That's kind of what it reminded me of. And go to HomeGoods for pet gates. They are way cuter. Way cuter than anything I have found on Amazon, Target, Walmart, anywhere. And their dog beds, I think, are very cute. And then bedding. I swear HomeGoods has the best bedding. I have my big, like, square European, whatever they are, pillows from here, and I love them. They're the ones that I'm bringing you to right now with, like, the ruffles around the side, and I swear by them. And they actually had a lot of cute little kitchen rugs and runners. This one was a little bit too bright for me. I like more of like a vintagey look for this, but I thought it was really cute as well. Hey guys, okay, so we made it to the end of the video. If you did, please subscribe down below and like my video. If you enjoyed it, I hope that this was like a good video. I didn't talk throughout like the whole thing because I don't know, I just wasn't like feeling like there were a lot of people in there, and I just like so I did it on and off. So I hope you didn't mind the voiceover. Let me know what you think about that. I don't usually do that for my HomeGoods videos, but that being said, I do make videos like this, and I do like thrift with me's and different things like that. So if you're interested in that, subscribe down below. But I just want to pop in and say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day. So see you later. Bye guys.